First, take a look at what the remote control looks like. There are 1 to 16 numbers. On the remote control, the function of these numbers is to switch the corresponding digital input to all outputs. If you press the number 1, input 1 will be switched to all outputs. If you press the number 2, input 2 will be switched to all outputs. The same goes for other numbers. Next is another way. Remote control press in sequence. 0, input, output, OK. For example, press 0, then input 01, then output 02, then OK. By the way, the output can also choose all. The input port 01 can be switched to the output port 02 alone. All other inputs and outputs can be switched this way. Remote control press in sequence. 0, input, output, OK. Next is the one-to-one function button OTO. When OTO is pressed, each input will correspond to each output. Here the 1 to 9 inputs are only connected to 1 and 2, so it is only displayed on the 1 and 2 outputs. When you connect the input port 1 to 9, 1 to 9 output will display the corresponding signal source separately. That's how to switch using the remote control button.